Atopy, also called atopic dermatitis, or inhalant dermatitis, is an allergic reaction to a substance that is inhaled, such as dust, dust mites or pollen. Dogs or cats with atopic dermatitis become extremely itchy, and will scratch or lick themselves excessively, to find relief. While many pet owners turn to steroids and antihistamines to help their dogs or cats with skin allergies, supporting your pet's immune system may help reduce the occurrence of flare-ups and allergic responses. A strong immune system clears out allergy response cells like histamines. Food allergies may be present in dogs with atopy, and can increase the scratching and itching. Commercial pet foods are often the culprit to a range of health issues, so a good starting point for promoting health and wellness in animals is to feed a high-quality diet. One with high protein, low carbohydrate, moderate fat,